If you sell on Amazon, then I bet you're going to be very curious about this. Are you wondering whether or not you're going to receive a registration number upon submitting your trademark application? Because I know that you need to use that number to go put it into the brand registry so that you can take advantage of enhanced brand content. You see, when you get a registration certificate from the USPTO, it is going to have a registration number. And that registration number is only included on the registration certificate. So when you submit a trademark application and it's obviously going to be in its initial stages, then no, you don't get a registration number because it's not yet registered. A registration number is reserved for, you guessed it, those trademark applications that are actually registered. So while you wait for a registration number and your registered trademark certificate, you will receive what's called a serial number. So the inevitable question is, Marcella, can I use my serial number for Amazon's brand registry for the enhanced brand content? And the answer is Amazon's brand registry, they want the registration certificate. Yes, they want the registration number that is on the registration certificate. So unfortunately, you are not going to be able to take advantage of the brand registry, the enhanced brand content, until you have a registration number in your hands. So if this is something that is really, really urgent for you and you are wondering if there is anything that you can do to speed up the process, then I invite you to watch the video that is linked down below that answers how to speed up my trademark application. Now, if this is something that you don't want to deal with because you want to make sure it's done right, then feel free to call us and the link is down below. If you feel like this is something that you want to do on your own, then the link is also below because we offer lots of options for DIYers. Now, if you like my content, then definitely give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Remember, my goal is always for you to learn more than you knew before you started watching these videos. So if that was the case for you, give me a thumbs up and tell me, wow. That's all you have to say is wow, so that I know that you watched this video.